Hi friends, welcome back. How you guys doing today? Oh, you guys, I was so eager to record. I actually got a setup here that I actually like. So I'm ready to chat. I feel comfortable. Cause like I mentioned in my last video, like trying to find a comfortable, setup area. I was kind of struggling with it, but your girl got it now. So let's eat and let's talk, okay? Today I'm eating something real light. I just have here 2 sausage links that I boiled over the stove and then I put in the oven so the skin can get nice, like that nice snap. I have 2 kosher pickles here. It's like a whole pickle cut in half, and then I have me some Funyuns. And your girl finna get into it. I already took a bite, you guys, because I couldn't wait. I couldn't resist. I have a little mustard on here. But these sausages are the truth. When I tell you they are the truth, they're the truth. They come from a meat store here called Hopkins. And they're well known for these sausages. They have different varieties of meats. But these sausages here, they're the truth. But anyways, how have you guys been? That's good. That's also really good. I hope everything is really good with you all. Me, I woke up feeling a little blah today, but after I got up and moved around and took me a nice hot shower and things like that, I started to feel a little better. So my day's actually going pretty good. I watched one of the movies yesterday, What a Man Wants. So today, later on, I'm gonna watch the Medea funeral movie. Hold on. I'm gonna get into that. You know what? I be so in and out with these chips, like sometimes I really be craving these Funyuns, and they such an old classic chip, you know. But yeah, about these sausages, you guys, like I was saying, they come from a local meat store here. They're real known for them. But I love these sausages. Like I go buy them, a bag of them, and then I break the bag of them down, 6 in the bag, because they come like in a big length. That's how they do it. And then I break them down by size and put them in individual bags and put them in my freezer. Because I do so much with these. Like I said, I wake up and boil them, make me a sausage sandwich to go. Or they're good for grilling. They're good for making sausage shish kebabs. Those are good. You put some onions and bell peppers with these sausages and some shrimp. Now that's good eating. Throw it on the grill. You can even do it in the oven. I also like to make this dish called sausage stewed tomatoes. Where I put like stewed tomatoes and I let them boil down. And I toss the sausages in there. You just eat it over rice. Yeah, that's some country eating. Like okra and tomatoes, but you add the sausage in it. Really good. But I don't like the okra, so I just do the stewed tomato part. I like okra. I just don't like. I like fried okra. Let me correct myself. Today, it's looking kind of gloomy. I don't know, you probably can't really see in the background because of the lighting, but it's gloomy, no sun is really shining. I got my water here. They had these at the grocery store, 2 for like $1.98. So I had bought like 20. So I just got them like in my cabinet. Boss water, that's a deal. It's starting to thunder sound like in the background. You guys, like, I haven't got a editing software yet, so, or found one, or even played with one for that matter. So I'm really just uploading these videos by the gutter, for real. But I'm gonna do the 30-day trial with Adobe Flash, and I'm gonna try them out, cause I see a lot of people use that, and they say it's fairly easy. That pickle, cause the fatness of the sausage is real good. Yeah, I buy these pickles and I just snack on them. I buy them by the jar. Like I told you, I love to snack. So if you go in my refrigerator, I have stuff like pickles, grapes, pineapples. I love snacking on pretzels. Ooh, nuts and raisins. Nuts and raisins. My father, who passed away about 2 years ago from cancer, he was an entrepreneur, and he ran taverns. He had a couple different taverns, but he used to always love nuts with his Budweiser. I remember growing up, he'll come get me, and we'll stop by a store, and he'll get some peanuts and a Coke. And he'll get me a Coke and a bag of peanuts. And we'll pour the peanuts in the Coke. Talk about a good snack. Like, you can't knock it till you try. I need to do that. I haven't done that in so long. I'm gonna have to do that. Just to think about him. Because he used to do that. Put them peanuts down there on that Coke. Oh, that's so good. I don't even remember what was the concept of doing that either. Like, why we did it. My father, he was from Mobile, Alabama, so he was country off the muscle, okay? And my mother family is from Valdosta, Georgia. So we just some country bumpkins. Yeah, you guys, I think I'm just about to relax. I'm getting my belly full too. Go put on some comfortable clothes and throw on a bonnet and watch this Medea movie. We went to see the Medea play when it came. And to be honest, the play wasn't really all of that. It was funny, but I felt like because that was gonna be, according to him, the last play, that he could have done a better job. You know, sometimes we rush things, and I think a lot of people really want to go see it because he said this is the last time that he's bringing Medea back. You guys, I am an ice eater. So y'all may have seen me sometimes with a cup of ice. And let me tell you, it's a particular type of ice I have to eat. They have to be cylinder, crushed ice. And I usually eat ice to clean my palate. Like, crunch on it. And I'm a big, heavy ice eater. I have an ice maker. I know people say it ain't good for you. Just like a lot of things. But to me, it just, I feel like it refreshes my palate. Or I also eat ice when I'm watching mukbangs to like, to deprive my cravings or something like that. Like I eat ice when I'm watching people eat. I know it's weird, but I do it. Like, especially if the food looks good or something, I'll run in there, go get me a scoop of ice and start crunching on the ice. Just so my jaws could be moving because their jaws are moving. Yes, I do that. You guys hear the background? Like thunder. It's gonna do some raining. I told y'all, our week has been like this gloomy, rainy weather. But it's also relaxing weather, so. Cause sometimes you just need to relax, you know, relax your body, relax your brain. Cause I don't know about you, but sometimes dealing with day-to-day issues or things that occur in life, sometimes you just need that settled, peaceful, you know, ease your mind, take your mind off of things, atmosphere. And to me, rain does that. To me, walking on the beach does that. This ice actually comes from a place called Wawa. Because when I ran out to grab some chips, I went back to Wawa. I just grabbed, because their ice is free, so I just grabbed a cup of ice. I promise you, it just soothes my palate and my tongue. I'll be eating it just like that. Oh my God, y'all, it's pouring down. It's pouring down. Now it really is. These are like good, but I feel like you need like when, as I'm eating this, I feel like I want like a drink, like a fruity drink. I've been listening to this song. Listen, I'm the type of person that when I like a song, I will wear it out. I listen to it on repeat, on repeat, on repeat. I've been listening to this song, and it's old too. Somebody said it was in the movie, The Best Man of the Woods. I don't know, I gotta figure out what they said movie it is. I gotta look up the soundtrack. But it's by, let me see. It's called Liar Liar. It's called Liar Liar. Let me see. By Latasha. Liar Liar. But I'm gonna hum it go. Think about the songs that we making now. When I say I don't know, I think just the melody of her voice. And no, I'm not going through anything, because she's talking about a man lying after she done basically gave him her all, and she breaking down from it, like she just tired of his lies. I just like the song. It's like on Friday night, so pay me some attention. Don't be breaking love. I love it. I promise you, I've been playing it since I got up and started moving around. This is the potato bun. I love potato bread. If you come to my house, that's the only type of bread I keep in my house. Potato bread by Martin's. The hot dog buns, the burger buns, the regular loaf of bread. My kids are so funny about bread. So and you know what's crazy? And I'm gonna call them on their bluff, because, well, my kids don't eat a lot of fast food places, so I can't even say that. My kids don't even like McDonald's, for real. Like, one of McDonald's is forced, because they don't like McDonald's. My kids like stuff like Steak and Shake, Chick-fil-A, Panera Bread. So those breads are kind of good quality. And they don't eat school lunch, because I pack their lunches. So I can't even say, well, what happened when y'all go to them different restaurants? Y'all don't know what type of bread it is, because it's forced. They don't eat out a lot. For us, different fast food places like that, or they don't like a lot of fast food places. Like McDonald's and Burger King. They don't like Checkers. They like KFC better than they like Popeyes, but I know they tripping. Like, my kids want to go to KFC before they want to go to Popeyes. I be like, Now, they love some chicken. Like, we'll be in the grocery store, like Walmart, Publix, and you know they had a little hot food over there. They want, Mama, just get us 2 chicken wings while we walk through the store. So they love chicken now. Them is some chicken eating boys. But they like KFC better than Popeyes. I don't know why. We don't eat churches, because it ain't the clean churches that I have ever ran across, and the workers at churches just be looking And yes, I pray over my food, do not get me wrong, but them workers be at churches. I don't know if it's a down south thing, from Georgia to Florida, I don't know, but it ain't the churches that I done ran across that made me want to eat anything. And the workers, the logistics, heroic. I know when I was coming up, before I could, ooh, y'all hear that? Listen, like the country people say, girl, you better get ready to turn these lights off. Gotta turn the lights off, turn the TV on, sit your behind down somewhere when it's thundering. Oh yeah, it's about time for me to sign off, y'all. I'm gonna give it a few more minutes, but it's doing all that in the background. It's about time to go. I am not playing with it. I know, but when I stay home, this type of weather like this, my mama was not playing. Everything turned off, and you better sit down somewhere. And sometimes it be for hours too. You don't play this type of weather. I forgot what I was talking about too. That was threw me off, and I had something to say, but that wasn't right there. Time to go. Anyway, we was talking about chicken change, y'all. I'm trying to listen to this background of this noise going on. I might have to go look at the news. But anyways, real quick, what I was saying about the chicken change. Don't get me wrong, I have had churches before when I was coming up and before I became responsible of choosing what I wanted to eat. Now, from what I can remember, churches do have a nice crispy chicken and they size are good. I think I used to love their corn on the cob, and they got fried okra from what I remember. But I haven't eaten there. I'm in my 20s and I haven't been there none of my 20s. Probably like not even, I probably haven't been there ever since I maybe was like 16, 17. So I don't know what the quality of food is now, because like I said, it's not one that I go in that it looks appetizing. And I'm like that with a lot of restaurants. Like for instance, I don't like IHOP because I don't like, maybe this is just my area, because I don't like how the establishments look. And IHOP got some good food. I don't like the Waffle House sometimes because of how the establishment looks. And I don't, and these places are far away from me, so they're not even in where I stay, you know what I'm saying? Because I stay kind of in the upper echelon neighborhood, so I'm driving far out to these places. Or if I was to go, and yeah, they kind of in the urban area. And I don't know, I'd rather not, just put it like that. Cause like like in my area, you find Steak and Shake, you know, Panera Bread. What else I got on my script? Let me see. You're gonna find, we got a Domino's, a Pizza Hut, a Papa John's. We have a Burger Fry, a Fruit Edibles. We have a Jason Deli. We have a Hegolian Magoons. It's like a chicken tender place. I think I'm saying that right. Now they got a good chicken salad. We have a Jimmy John's. We have a fireplace, a fire sub, fire sub. We have a couple Mexican restaurants, Chick-fil-A. We have a Zoe's Kitchen. We do have one McDonald's, and we have a KFC. And then like on the long stretch, if you was to go around, that's when you run into like all the restaurants at, like Longhorn, Red Lobster, Carrabba's, Bahama Breeze, PDF. That's another like chicken tender place. What else they got over there? Wingstop, Hooters, Olive Garden. So those are the type of restaurants. Oh, and Panda Express. And those are the type of restaurants that I live around. Like, so when I want to go to like Popeyes or Churches or Cat and D's, I have to drive out because they're not in my area. You know what I'm saying? They're elsewhere. Well, anyways, guys, I'm about to wrap it up because this weather is doing some stuff. I'm about to go see what's going on the news. Make sure it ain't no storm, because like I said, my mom said, I think it's supposed to be hurricane season or something like that this month or next month. I need to know, and I actually need to go. I got plenty of water here, like gallons of water, but I need to make sure I got some batteries, and I got these little lamp things, but I need to check the batteries on them. I need to get some matches because I do not have any matches, and I need to go like load up on some canned goods too. Canned goods, and I need to check my kid because I have like a safety backpack with my kids, like extra medicine and stuff like that. I need to go in there and organize it because I think I haven't looked in that bag in maybe over a year. So I probably need to change out the clothes because they're probably too small. And check, just check and see some things in that bag. Because it's better to be prepared than not to be prepared. Especially living in Florida. Okay? So anyways, you guys, I want to thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Please feel free to comment below and give me all the feedback because your girl really needs it and appreciate it. I thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share. And until next time, thank you for coming and stop by chatting with your girl Shanta.